Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Khare. I am from UAETechSupport and I have one more channel that is Kuldeep Khare Official. In that we are doing a musical videos. So guys, I will share my experience with CAFU application. Yes, actually guys, I was in Quwain and I really stuck over there because of petrol. So you know what? I suddenly downloaded that application and I got it. So guys, for more information, have a look on the screen.
Assalamu alaikum guys. Okay, so guys, you have to go on App Store, then just right here CAFU, CAFU app, then search button. Then here you can see the first one, the CAFU apps. Just click to download. So here you have to put your mobile number. Then you have to make a password. Then here you can see my car is parking. So I already install and then I have already registered on this application. So here you can see this is my car. So after that, if you want to order fuel, just click on here, fuel delivery. Then you have to choose the date, which date, and then time. Example, tomorrow. I will just click confirm. So you can choose here which petrol you want to buy. There is a special 95 and super 98. So I will order for 1.7. So I'll make confirm. Then here you have to add the payment. So here you have to put your Visa card or any MasterCard. So after that you can order. Then just click, then add method. So only simply you can order from here the fuel. So I hope you will install this application. This application very helpful, and if you this is 24/7 deliver, 24/7 hours they are working. So this for location they will automatic detect. So guys, just click here on three dot. Then here you can see your profile. So this you can change as you like. Then here you can see your how many vehicles you have. If you want this is my one vehicles. If I want to add and more, I can add here also. So here you can see second option is my order. So if I order petrol, here it will show. So I don't have any order here, so I just go back and I go. So here you can select your location and the payment method, and there is some promotion. So if there is promotion, I can see here. So you can see there is amazing promotion here, 15% for car wash. So I'll just go back, and here it's normally, and here okay. So this the apps.
So guys, I know you enjoyed our video. So guys, I want from you to like, comment and subscribe our channel if you did not subscribe. Thank you guys.